Today's Super Saturdays Adventure is brought to you by the Historic Flight Foundation's Vintage Aircraft Weekend. Let's check out the action in the skies, shall we? And already, all of the aviation buffs are here. I don't think I've ever seen this parking lot this crowded. Well, let's find a spot. Watch this. Oh, wow. This is going to be awesome.
Chicken. Plain chicken.
Another great show. And actually, it's not over yet. It's 4:30. Wow, that was some flying action, huh? Best show ever, I have to say. But what I'm going to do is, the show's not over yet, but it looks like there's some downtime, and I've been standing for the past 4:30 now, 2.5 hours, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing on over to the future flight and see if I can get a better, takeoff view, and if not, I'm just going to head home if I don't see anything going on, because if they're going to be flying, they're going to be going over my place, so I'll get some footage regardless, and I already got a lot as it is, so yeah, that was a great, oh my goodness, great show. Perfect day, kind of hot, 77 degrees, but, standing out there in the heat, but wow, awesome. Woo, got lots of good footage. This is the other side of the runway there. They kind of take off. See, the crow is walking the opposite way. They go that way. And I don't really see any action, so I'm going to head home because I am really kind of worn out, planed out. Well, no, not exactly planed out, but, I'm sure if there's any more action in the skies, I will be seeing it. Well, there's the hill over there. So you can't see beyond the hill where the Historic Flight Foundation is. So, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna head. Good flying day today. May not be over yet either, so stay tuned. And here's the jungle kitty. Sleeping away. Yeah, hey, what's going on? You had a productive day? Yeah? Productive for mischief is catnapping. Oh, goodness. Feels good to be home. And mischief. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Just in time today. Max was, he didn't make himself anything to eat at all while I was gone, even though I told him I'm going to be gone for a while. So, of course, he was getting irritably hungry, and I had to fix dinner, which I did, and we are both into the home stretch now. He's in the home stretch with his project, and I'm finishing up on my final videos, yes. So I'm not really sure where I'm up to. I'm thinking I'm up to the 25th now. Yeah, we should both be done with our projects, I think, tonight. Hoping. Fingers crossed. And wasn't that a great air show? I actually did catch some more aircraft flying around my house. So, that was cool. But yeah, gonna jump out here shortly and take some sunset pictures for you guys. Tomorrow, we might be going to Jetty Island, either tomorrow or Monday, I'm not sure. And then I think next week we're going to just start the packing, cleaning process. And then next weekend is the Lighthouse Festival. Can't wait for that. So, lots of good stuff coming up, guys. And then after that, more packing and cleaning. And I think in 2 weekends from now, we'll be en route to our new destination, our new home. So, yeah. But I'm going to jump out now and take some pictures. So, tonight's sunset. Well, that's about it for tonight. Everyone out there have a great holiday weekend, and I will see y'all tomorrow.